morning. So welcome to Cleaning is My Therapy. So this morning I am tackling my laundry room. So I've got tons of laundry room cleaning and motivation for you guys. I talk with my hands, I'm sorry. So I shopped my whole house for all of my organizing bins. So I got everything I needed to organize my laundry room, and I'm gonna get it cleaned up. It's just not functional at the moment. Things are just everywhere on the shelves. My dryer needs to be wiped down, my washer needs to be wiped down, and I need to clean the inside of it out as well. So I hope you guys are ready for the motivation, and I am doing this on the cheap because I'm doing it on the cheap. I've just shopped my whole house for all of my organizing bins, and also that computer screen and box needs to go to the shed because it is time for it to find a new place to live, which is not my laundry room. I'm tired of looking at it, so we're just gonna get to it. Alright, so this is what I'm working with. The computer screen and box needs to go to the shed, and I need to find a place for the broom and mop bucket, laundry basket, and here we go. So I need to get all this swept out and cleaned. That is my laundry room trash can. That is for the kitchen rags. And here is my mess. Dysfunctional mess. So that's gonna get all cleaned up, and then these are like my mop heads. But I just bought new mop heads. I'll leave this link down below. It's for the oak cedar mop, but these are the cheaper ones. They fit the oak cedar mop fine, but what I like is these are longer, so you can get more of your floor than with these. They're dirty. I just bleached those, but I just bought me some new ones as well. But those are getting organized as well. So I need to get this wiped out. I need to get that wiped down because there's like soap on there. And this needs to get wiped out, but also I need to wipe all of this down. You guys can see that. It's pretty dirty.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for.
So I just got everything moved out of my way so I can get started. So I was pulling all that foam stuff my husband had right there out from behind the washer and dryer. And I'm just spraying my washer and dryer down with some Lysol disinfectant just to give it a wipe down because it was quite dusty. But not only that, on my dryer there was some laundry soap spilt on it. So I wanted to get that all wiped up. And it doesn't take me very long to get the shelf organized. I was just working with what I already have. So, but now I'm just going to get this shelf, everything taken down so I can get ready to organize it.
It's never under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. while the moment slowly slips away.
And that is Lysol's newest product for your washer. It cleans it and disinfects it. I love that stuff. I am obsessed with it. I found it at Walmart. I've had it for about a month. I've been using it. So I don't know if you're going to be able to find it anymore at Walmart. Because as you guys know, it is a hit or miss with any Lysol disinfectant products, any disinfectant products in general. It's just a hit or miss.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different.
And this basket is just car cleaning products. Mop heads, extra Lysol, my scent-free laundry soap, and in this little tote basket it's got some extra light bulbs and laundry soap, fabric softener, my dryer balls, which I do need to get some more, and these are for your microfiber rags. When you put those in the dryer, it gets the hair off of them, and then you put those in the washer to get dog hair. Dryer sheets. So that is just what that is looking like, which is a lot better because now I have room for extra laundry soaps and other cleaning products that I can just store in here when I need to. So now I'm getting this styrofoam stuff taken out of here so I can get the floors swept and start getting everything put back in its home where it belongs.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be?
So my battery died when I was hanging this picture, but I found it at Hobby Lobby for about $25. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you guys some motivation, some ideas. I hope you all have a wonderful Tuesday and a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I do have tons and tons of organizing videos coming up real soon. So I hope you guys come back for all of those and have a good day. Bye.